Madlang people! I'm Julia Faye, a psychology student from Silliman University. Isa akong virtual assistant. Self-supporting student kasi ako. Kaya para masuportahan ang pag-aaral at iba ko pang mga pangangailangan, nag-work ako bilang social media manager at content creator sa aming VA company page.
Damahin mo yung pride because you're working very hard.
Yes.
And you're doing such a great job.
True.
You are winning in life.
Oo. Totoo yan.
Sa lahat ng mga hindi pa nakakatapos pero lumalaban pa rin, ay nako, you are winning in life. Ngayon pa lang, congratulations sa inyo.
Yes.